Hello everyone, this is Noah from realgpl.com and today I am going to talk about one very good theme, and that is for education websites. The theme name is Eduma. So we got a client request on our support ticket that they want to install Eduma theme on their WordPress. So I already logged into the client WordPress. Now what I'm going to do, uh, the first thing that we have to do is we have to download it. So I have downloaded, and let me unzip it in front of you. So I'm going to unzip it here. After unzipping, okay, I'm getting some issues. Let me do one thing. Let me unzip it in some other folder, extract files, and then I will click on OK. So we got a Eduma folder here, and inside that we have something called Eduma, that is the theme. Then one folder is for licensing and one folder is for documentation. So we just need the Eduma folder that we have right now here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the customer WordPress account, I'm going to appearance, then themes, and here I will upload the parent theme. So click on add new, then click on upload theme, then click on choose file, then go to a respective folder, and from there choose the right zip file that needs to be installed. Otherwise you will get missing style sheet error or not a valid theme file error. So as you can see, the theme is installed. I'm going to click on activate to activate this theme. Once activated, we have to install some plugins which are required for this theme to work. So I will go to Eduma, then I will click on plugins, and you can see here there are a lot of plugins like LearnPress, WP Bakery, LearnPress add-ons and all, which we have to install. So we don't know which one is required. So what we need to do, just go to import demo section, and right now I will be installing the main demo. We have many demos available in Eduma for your education website, which you can install as per your need. But right now I'm going to install the main demo. So I will click on install. Now it is asking me to install the required plugins, theme options, and main content. Yes, we have to install each and everything. So just click on import to get it done. Now, based on things, it may take some file, because we also have to import like slider evolution, templates, and then widgets, and then media file. So have some patience and have some coffee as well while it is happening. But you might be having coffee, but right now I don't have any coffee, although it is morning 9 a.m. here. So I can show you something till the time. If I go to realgpl.com, you can see we have launched lifetime deals where you can get themes and plugins that too for a lifetime in a budget cost. Like we have Astra Growth Bundle, we have Ocean WP, we have DB Theme Bundle, we have Generate Praise, we have Affiliate Booster, and with the time we'll be adding 50 plus more lifetime deals in our section. So we have planned to do that on a monthly basis. So monthly you can expect some new lifetime deals here. We also have theme kill themes like Color Mag, Spacious Pro, Color News. So you must need to check out our lifetime deals. And if you have anything in mind, just email us or create a support ticket. We'll try to add that if possible. Other than that, if you are planning to download multiple items, you must join our membership plans. That is starting with just $7 a month. And by joining that, you will be having access to all our products. So I hope you will be joining it very soon. So let me go to the WordPress again and let me see if things are going well. Yeah. So plugin install, theme option install, main content is also installed, which includes post, pages, comments, menu item, custom fields and all. Now the media file will take some time because it may be somewhat bigger in size. Oh, you heard the tone, right? So hooray, all done. So let me go and refresh the site to check if everything is as per the main demo. So I will open that in a new tab to show you guys. Yeah, definitely you can see that the demo is coming up, and looks like everything is as expected as we want to. and it looks perfect. So if you have any request, you can always create a support ticket. So for this tutorial, I think you got the clear idea. Like if you have to install a theme, I mean mainly the GPL theme, then what's the process? Sometimes you have to install the parent theme only. Sometimes, with parent child theme is required. Then after you have to install the required plugins. Then, sometime for activation you need to follow some process. Those process can be found in our activation tab. For example, if I show you the Eduma, so we already have mentioned in the activation tab, in the notes tab, like we have to unzip the file. So make sure to check the activation or notes tab always before installing any theme. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, if you have your coffee already, go for the breakfast. Thank you very much. Bye bye.